technology, and I'm hoping that that safe technology is going to keep this in the air and definitely help with landings, since it's a pretty big bird. It's a pretty big bird, relatively heavy, and I haven't had the time to put the rest of the bits together, so heavier than anything that I've flown so far. So there we go. Let's hope this is the winning plane, and maybe it will be. And maybe we'll have amazing flights going forward, and maybe I could put a fun, very light 3D 360 or 180 camera on this thing and get some beautiful shots of the Irvine sky. That would be cool. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Take care and have an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing.
Likey.